Alright guys, I'm here with another video. Oh, wait, hold on.
Get on that bolt crank, come on!
Okay, alright. I'm here with another video, Ratchet and Clank. I'm super excited about this. I haven't played Ratchet and Clank in quite a long time, but it's definitely a defining game from my childhood. And I played just about every single one of them. So this, Jack and Daxter, Sly Cooper, Crash Bandicoot, these are the originals that I usually. And it's just, I think it's going to be a lot of fun. So I'm going to try to finish the game, put all of it up for everybody to see, and we'll see how y'all like it. Oh, it wouldn't be Ratchet and Clank without one of these.
Look at this thing. Avionics fried, CPU fried, even the gosh darn gravity coils fried. Okay, let's see if these new Versa bulbs work. Look up. Do you see something flashing?
Yep, left side looks good.
It's a miracle. Onto the afterburner lights. Look down. You see something?
Lower left afterburner light checks out.
This thing might just be space worthy after all. One more.
Lower right afterburner works. So, are we good?
Yep, we're good. The news says the tryouts are being held at the fairgrounds. Show 'em what you got, kid.
Oh, yeah.
Ratchet began his adventure, hoping to become a galactic ranger.
Let me check it. Alright, so hitting, aim, you throw. I don't have any weapons yet. Aim is left. Okay, cool. This looks so much better than all previous games in this series. Actually, I don't know if this is a reboot or not. I think they said it's the first game but remade with some other stuff. I guess we'll find out as we go. Alright, now I'm going to try to pick up as many bolts as I can because I know you're going to need all of them to buy all the guns and stuff. So, is there like a map? Ooh, map! Oh, see, the previous games didn't have a nice map like this. Or one this good. It might have had a map, I can't remember.
Ratchet bashed his enemies
Uh-huh.
using his trusty
Take
omni-wrench.
that. Take that. It's almost like being a Jedi, but not as cool.
In order to best
Not
his
as cool.
foes, Ratchet used the warrior's time-honored tradition of jumping.
Enemy down.
Uh-huh. Take that. Oh, can't get over there quite yet. So used to being able to sprint in the game, but this is cool.
He faced mortal peril. Should he find himself on the verge of death, he'd need to find nanotech to heal.
I used that stuff after a bank robbery once. It healed like 3 out of 5.
I wonder if it's got the, okay, so used to, you had to unlock a perk that would allow you to, for the bolts to actually come to you. You had to go pick them up yourself. So I guess they've taken it out. Okay, yeah, it comes to you now. That's pretty cool. Did you see that? Look at that. Look at that.
Thank you, Brent.
Oh, shut up, Cork. You wish you could smash crates like me.
So we could buy a new weapon.
Exactly. You're exactly right, sir.
With his enemies vanquished, Ratchet forged ahead. His destination, destiny.
What an amazing game. Oh, y'all might not be as excited about this as I am, but dude, I love this game. Booyah! I guess I just go through here.
Hello, recruit. Cora Veralux here. Show us how quick you can be on your feet by jumping over these obstacles. Good work. Now keep moving to the next part of the course. A good ranger is always mindful of their surroundings. Hop across these moving platforms. Good job.
Thanks.
This might be the recruit we've been looking for. Keep moving to the next part of the course.
Hey there, recruit. I'm Brax Lectress and my specialty is brute force. Let's see how well you can bash these crates.
I don't know if getting off this makes it go away. Or...
That was pretty good.
Okay.
Keep moving. It's time to get our hands on some firepower. Go ahead and grab a fusion grenade glove from this Gadgetron vendor.
Ho, 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 ho. Yes, I want to.
Awesome. Next step, blow stuff up.
Okay, so you don't have to aim, I don't guess. Okay. Sweet.
Solana Galaxy,
Ooh.
as evidenced by the large amounts of ammunition left sitting around in crates. If you see me at the event, please do not run up and insist on shaking hands. My mighty vice-like grip has been known to shake the confidence of even the most heroic of men. And I would keep this process.
Hello, what is this?
Whoa, a holo card. Sweet.
Please tell me it's okay. Options. I ain't been on PlayStation in a while.
Here, you can earn single holo cards by defeating enemy, or you can explore secret areas to find. Your goal is to complete a whole set of holo cards.
Okay. What does this do? So is this like, I guess it's just information for our collection. I think it's just information, it looks like. Cool. Alright, let's go. Oh, sorry. Alright, what's next? Oh, I can handle you, sir. You think you're... Wait, why don't I have my gun? Wait a minute. Oh. So you use the D-pad to get your guns. Oh, you didn't know I was going to do that, did you? Alright, that's cool. If we had audiences flying around like that in normal sporting events, that'd be pretty cool. Alright, here we go. Looks like a boss battle.
Survive a brutal onslaught of enemies, and you just might be our next galactic ranger.
Oh, I know I am. Dude, I remember the arenas now.
One down.
How do you strafe? Is that how you strafe in this game?
Whoa. Looks like some angry toads.
Max level up to fit enemies to increase your max health. I can do that for sure.
Could we be looking at Solana's next galactic ranger?
Oh, so wait, hold up. They're in here to attack you, but technically they'll attack each other. That makes some sense. I don't think you could aim before.
Excellent job, Cadet. Come see me after the show.
Huh. That wasn't so bad.
That help? Oh. What do I know?
Make it out of there alive.
Oh, yeah, that's the Clank I remember. Ah.
You never disappoint.
Feeble's defect knew that if he were to survive, he would have to throw a bomb.
Yeah, because they just leave bombs around places.
The young defect spotted a spring bot ahead of him. Knew that with this handy device,
Gotta have them. Gotta have them.
the deadliest of forces, gravity. The hopeless defect had to throw a spring bot. But where? And how?
Thank you, Springbot. I wonder, should I take this one with me? No, no. Never mind. Oh, oh shoot! Oh, Oh no! Oh no!
Quit your running, you useless piece of scrap.
You telling me you can't outrun me? You're huge. Why would you break the factory?
Get back here and let's settle this. Warbot to Warbot.
Wait, I'm not a warbot, I'm Clank.
Oh no, water.
Oh, he sounded like Rocky Balboa, straight up. Oh no, no water. That wasn't really a good Rocky. I apologize.
Made the defect spotted a power box. This device could power up a variety of machines, but where should he?
I gotta do what I gotta do.
You're like really good at adding drama, man.
Thank you, Shiv. I pride myself.
I think I'm starting to understand how this works.
What seems to be the problem, Victor?
You won't get away from me, Chip. Herman, I've got him right where I want him.
He really does sound like Rocky. Alright, I'm just gonna take you. These are kind of cool. They were a little different in the original games, I know, but this is still pretty cool. I don't think I need you anymore. Oh, okay, so the range that it shows is definitely not correct.
Not so hard.
Yep, knew it.
Run from me?
What do you think I'm doing? Ooh, he went from the other side this time. How different.
Get back here, you miserable
Oh no.
defect.
I didn't go a different direction.
Try outrunning this.
Oh no. Fire.
I'm gonna rip you apart. Sprocket by sprocket.
Ain't that just nice of you? Run, little clunk. Alright guys, I'm going to stop it right there. I'll start my next video here. Real quick before we go, what was the first Ratchet and Clank game you played? If you have played them, if you haven't, I hope you get this one. It's really fun. I've played every single one of them, but I think my favorite was... I can't decide between Up Your Arsenal and Going Commando. Going Commando was the second one, I believe, and Up Your Arsenal was the third one. They added so many guns to the game. It was so fun. One of them had arena mode, which I really like, but it's definitely something you should check out. So leave a like, comment, subscribe. I'll have more videos out in the next couple days. All right, see you guys.